Okay, today we are going to just quickly paint up this cute bunny welcome sign. You can hang it on a wall, you could use it as a door hanger. It will come with some rope that you can use to hang it. So it comes in, you have your backer, you have the outline of the face and the ears. So we're going to start by painting this backer, and each of the backer has the outline on it so you don't have to worry about placement. Nice and easy way to make sure you have the sign, especially the words, go on correctly. So I'm using just a small little makeup sponge. You can use a baby wipe, you could use just regular paintbrushes, whatever is your favorite to do. I have some paint here. So I'm just gonna paint it up. You can always do a second coat if you want a thicker look, or you can do a light look so you can have the wood grain pop out a little bit. And get a little bit more paint. You don't have to worry about, you can still see the lines coming through. All right, we got that backer nicely painted. You can kind of still see the wood grain coming through, and you can do this whatever style you like. You can do a second coat to make it a little thicker, but if you look closely, you can still see the outline and the words. So let's move on. We'll let that put it to the side and let that dry. Now we're gonna do this one. And we're gonna do a cute little pink, nice spring, think of spring colors, and this pink might need 2 coats. Okay, slightly lay that to the side. We're going to do inside of the ears. Give them a quick coat too. And okay, put that to the side. Now we're gonna grab our letters. There we go. Paint them up. Again, this one I'm going with a nice spring Easter color. And I'm just using some acrylic paint. I think this paint came from Michael's, but any acrylic paint or any paint that you'd like to use works. Okay, I think we have it all painted. Now we're just going to just let it dry, and once it's dry, we will glue it up. Okay, it is pretty much dry. We gave it a few minutes. Now we're going to just glue all the pieces right into place. And again, it's really nice because it has this outline on the board itself. On the backer. Let's see. All right. So let's just look at it. Okay. Now I have just some normal wood glue. I have it in a little tiny bottle with a nice little nozzle, but you can use just regular wood glue or even some super glue. So we're just going to take it. And you don't need a whole lot. Just gonna go around. Go all around, make sure we get enough on, but not too much that it oozes out the side. Now we're just going to take it and place it on. Looks pretty good. All right, make sure we get the right ears at the right spot. And we're going to take this, glue this up. Line it up. Okay, next side. Oops, got that crooked. Oh. Clean that up. We're going to do the letters. Another great trick that I have learned to put glue on is I actually will put, kind of like I'm painting it, I'll get a paintbrush and I'll just paint the glue on sometimes, and that is a nice easy way to do it too that I have found. Okay, there we go. All of our letters and our outline and the ears are on. Nope, I can sometimes just wiggle them a little to make sure they look quite right. And then once everything's dry, you can go ahead, put your rope or your ribbon or whatever you want to use, if you want to use something different than what comes with the kit, and just hang it wherever you'd like. Thanks.